two other countries in your jurisdiction under South Asia, obviously you have the stands as well, Pakistan and Sri Lanka, that also voted to abstain from this vote. Can you talk briefly about your disappointment in those decisions and what efforts were made with respect to those countries?
I was on the phone at 6 o'clock last night speaking to the Sri Lankan ambassador here. My colleague in the Bureau was on the phone with the Indian DCM. We have worked very hard, with the Pakistani DCM, to try to convince them to vote in favor of this resolution. It is disappointing how many countries have abstained. I would also look to how many countries
Can I just ask, Mr. Ambassador, did anybody in the administration pick up the phone and call the Pakistani foreign minister or the prime minister of Pakistan?
No, as you know, our chargé has met recently with the Pakistani foreign minister, but
on this topic?
On votes in the UN,
on the Ukraine vote?
On Ukraine votes, not specific to the UN General Assembly vote. But as you may know, Prime Minister Khan has recently visited Moscow, and so I think we're trying to figure out how to engage specifically with the Prime Minister following that decision.
Well, as you know, there was a meeting in Delhi with the Russians as well. The point is, we need a strong, concerted effort with respect to all of these countries, Pakistan, Sri Lanka, and India. I understand that you made some efforts. Thank you. Thank you, Mr.